What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and it's hot. When I say it's hot, it's hot. I just got off, and right now I'm gonna go basically head to Alec. I'm gonna call him and let him know about the oil, so we gotta take that oil back, whatever. Get 15W40 Rotella, and change the oil to his 180. But right now I'm gonna go run and get my Alright, so I basically was saying we gotta run 15W40 oil. It's like diesel oil, but it's still some turbo car. And Alex is a local person turbo car, and yeah, he has to run that type of oil because it did a little blue smoke when we were it's like a while back. It did a little blue smoke, and then basically Jimmy was saying, you know, it's almost time for a oil change. So basically about that, we're gonna do that. He got to go and get some oil, and then get a filter, oil filter, and I'm basically gonna get my timing belt from O'Reilly's. Then I'm gonna run back and get Johnny. So yeah, I don't know what are they doing up here, but I need to go because it is hot. You guys, actually I've got the timing belt, but today I don't think I'm gonna do it. And then I think I'm gonna hold the vlog. I ain't gonna end it. I'm gonna hold it for right now, and then put it with tomorrow's video, because right now I need to go home and check and see if my insurance here, the insurance card for this car here, and then I think I'm gonna go finish editing another vlog, and yeah. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and your boy is back at it again with the vlogs. Well, I got one part today. Let me show y'all. It just came. Alex went and got it for me today, so shout out to him. I got one part. It's my shim for my starter. Basically, to space it out where it won't scratch again. So I told y'all it was still scratching a little bit, and so hopefully this should fix it, because it's an aftermarket flywheel, and I was reading up on it. It was like basically this is made. The shim is made for the OEM starters, like, I mean not starters, but OEM flywheels. Like, say if I were to get a racing flywheel, like a twin, not necessarily racing, but the twin turbo model 300ZX flywheel. If I were to get that, basically I would need a spacer, that way it won't scratch. So any type of aftermarket flywheel you put on there, you're just gonna scratch. So you basically need a spacer so you won't be, you know, all up against it and whatnot. But right now I'm finna go head to the shop, put this on, cause I gotta go get my other package, which I hate. They basically told me, well, you know, nobody was home, I ain't had nobody to sign it, and so I was basically told, you know, they told me they was there at 6:45 this morning. I said, man, that was too early. That was too early. That's a CTSV. But yeah, it was too early. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I didn't think they'd be there that early. Cause I did overnight shipping Thursday. And then, no, it was actually Wednesday. And they didn't get it to the next morning. They were like, you know, they'll ship it
you know, then.
Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna go here, put this on, then I gotta go to the facility and get my package for my Z, and yeah, go back to the shop. But hopefully this does solve the problem with my Z, because if it does, that's a lot of weight off my shoulder. And yeah, so I'm basically just finna cruise on to the shop and put this on right quick and see if this will work. And yeah, I'll wait till 6, they told me. 6 or 5, well 6, that's what it was, 6 something. And yeah. Alright you guys, I've been working on the Z already, and I was trying to hurry up and finish it before I can, you know, so I can drive down here to the to the facility, UPS facility. And I end up putting it on. I got it on, but when I turn the car on, it doesn't scratch it, and it takes a long time. I mean, it don't even start, to be honest. It doesn't even start. It just like it's not engaging all the way. So basically, the shims, I think that didn't work. I think it's a little too thick. So yeah, basically I don't need the shim. So it's just a bad spot on the flywheel. So there goes what, $39 right there. Tell you boy, the thing I got is for the Z's, the harness. It's Takata. I'll show y'all what color they are, but man, I hate this coppers right here, because I really gotta get on the way up there, because on the way here I hit like close to 120, and it was 2 cars trying to race me on the way here. One of them blew a motor. It was a truck, and I see him spitting oil everywhere when he got in front of me, because I was leaving him, like I flew by him, and I guess he thought I was gonna, you know, I was ready to race. And next thing you know, I get up there by my job where I usually go in the morning times, and next thing I see, like I cut over, get on the 4 lane, cut back over, and there's no other car right there. Next thing you know, I see a car right there on my left back side, back quarter panel, and I pulled up next to him, and we were like dead even. It was a V6 Mustang convertible, and when I say we were dead even, like I didn't have my foot all the way on the throttle. I was like at 111, and he had to been like right there where I was, and I matted it all the way down. I was pulling away from him slowly, and I guess, you know, I had to let off because there was a car in front of me, and I had to let him cut in front of me. So I mean, I had to cut behind him because I was coming too fast with the traffic. But other than that, that was crazy. Like, I didn't think this TSX would be able to do that. A V6 Mustang like that, it's bone stop. So it stands pretty good with the V6 Mustang, but from a dead stop, it sucks. But like top end, TSX, it kicks in pretty good. Like right now I'm at Mexico, because the facility is like over here by Mexico, so I can't mat it on here because the cop right here in front of me. If I mat it, he's gonna come chase me down, and I have to get pulled over, and then I won't be able to get it. Hopefully I'm fingers crossed that I can. Your boy got him. What's up, you guys? It's the next day. Well, actually Saturday, because they had my package on hold because I had told them I was going to do it FedEx. But I went up to the facility and got them, and here they are. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty sick, man. These are 4 points, so yeah, I want to go from here. So basically, I'm gonna take this seat out. I'm trying to take this seat out. It seems like it has the, you know, original bolts and stuff for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna see where I'm gonna mount the strap to go on your shoulder. And yeah, but I'm gonna do this right quick so I can go hang out with the kids. I mean, not kids, but the squad. And yeah, and like I said, y'all, I've been trying to vlog, but it's like every time I pick up the camera, something's coming up. I got to do this, and then when I pick up the camera and I try to upload, it takes a long time to load. So bear with me, and yeah, but stick around. basically I got this, got the motor on the hook, took that seatbelt strap off, and now it's time to put the harness on for the driver's side, I mean. And yeah, now I know it's junky, so please forgive me, man. Just please forgive me. Yeah. What's up, you guys? I got to end the video right quick. You see, as you can see, I got the harnesses in. Yeah, I got them in, and I actually slung it last night. Well, Alec in here, Alec had adjusted, so that's why it looks like that. And yeah, so actually I had like a little bar or something behind this, and I can hook it on too. And it actually turned out pretty great, and it's like tight. Like if I fuck it up right now, I won't move anywhere. And yeah, but I mean the vlog right here, you guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that vlog, and I hate, like I said, I hate it ain't uploading fast. So bear with me, you guys. And if you new, hit that thumbs up button for your boy. I said that so backward. If you new or you not new, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button, hit that thumbs up button for you, boy. And yeah, guys, be a dream chaser. Like, really, can't say enough. I say it every vlog. Be a dream chaser. And your boy is out.